You're just getting the laundry utility room addition onto the bed and breakfast is here. And this will house everything is steel, so the termites don't affect it. Just got to get the metal span roof roof sections here and finish this end here, which also had some internal leaks. This is why we put an extra downspout this side and that side. This is where all the fish live. If you watch when you stand here, the water, once you see it come back down there, water starts to move. The fish are so big down there. The surface starts to move around. Yep, that's kind of fast.